Howdy, folks, and welcome back. Hope you're all blessed and doing okay out there. Well, for today's video, I present to you K-Line 2003 Volume 2. Let's take a look and see what this catalog has to offer. To start things off, we have the page I missed. So here's your table of contents of what you're going to see in the catalog. They got some pretty cool stuff, it looks like. And I got to wet my whistle. 1 second, please, folks. We have a couple of brushes, it looks like. We have one from the, I think this is C&O. No, that's the New York Central. That's the Boston Albany. Quite a few here. Oh, there's a Shea and some log cars to go with it. Shays were amazing locomotives back in the day. I'm glad there's quite a handful preserved and operational. Phone was getting low on power. Have a couple of Mikados, one from New York Central, one from the Chesapeake and Ohio. Nice looking engines, actually. Here we have a couple of Mikados from the Pennsylvania Yard, it looks like. Wow. Yeah, Killin really made some great trains, guys. Here's one we all know and love, the New York Central Hudson. Such a beautiful locomotive. Streamlined or not, the NYC Hudson is one of my personal favorites, guys. An Allegheny, only $400. Not bad considering an Allegheny today is about $1,000 from Lionel. Still, a neat looking engine. Operation Iraq Freedom. Another war train set. Fight for what's right, I say. Stand against what's wrong. Oh, add-on cars. Very nice. Pretty cool. Okay, we have a couple of beginner sets. 2 steam engines, it looks like. The New York Central and the Pennsylvania Railroad. Nice looking sets. Operating construction set is loads of fun. It looks like it. There's a nice little passenger set down there too. Pretty cool. If I could have picked, pardon me guys, a train set that was a no gauge from K-Line, probably would have chosen this one. Looks like fun to play with. The Great Northern Empire Builder. Named after James J. Hill, the Empire Builder himself. How amazing. Okay, we have a New York Central F-Unit pull in the Empire State Express. Another famous train from the New York Central. Huh. I guess I had the 20th Century Limited. That's okay. Southern Pacific Daylight. Quiet train it was. Considered the most beautiful train in the world. We actually had a couple of SB trains that ran through Texas. The 2 best known were the Sunset Limited and the... what's it called? The Sunbeam. Or Texas Daylight as I call it. The Fairbanks Morse Trainmaster and an F-Unit set down there from the Southern Pacific. And the Black Widow paint scheme. Cool. A Santa Fe Blackbite or Midnight Chief? You decide. I call this a Santa Fe that wasn't. Lionel cataloged their F-Units, which kind of looks like this at one time or another. K-Line decided to come out with the design years later, and Lionel would eventually pioneer this paint scheme along with Broadway Limited Imports. Why am I stuttering? I don't know. Probably the best known train of all, the Santa Fe Super Chief. Such a gorgeous looking train. I love the warp on it, guys. Commuter cars. Chicago Northwestern and Amtrak California. Okay, we then have some mains of way vehicles or vans and some cabooses. A couple of bay windows, SP style, and center vision. Or extended vision, I should say. Hopper cars, 2 bays. Pretty cool. Four-bay hopper cars. They just get bigger. Chassis system. I like that. Pretty cool. Yep, aluminum freight cars. Wouldn't mind having that Santa Fe set. I probably would pull it with the Superfleet -8 or -9. Very nice. Tanker cars. Got those to deliver the liquids. Nice looking, actually. So then we have a set and different rolling stock it looks like, including coil cars and a crane car. Cool. Boxcars, reefers, and bank cars. Well, you gotta keep your money. Oh, I'm sorry, bunk cars. Misread that. That's remains of way work. Pretty cool. Scale intermodal transportation. Well, you don't see road trains like this anymore. It's a shame. They were pretty cool back in the day. Flat cars in every shape. Yeah, quite a variety to choose from, hauling different materials, including a rocket ship. Off to the stars it goes. I like the depressed center being flat. I've always thought that was pretty cool looking. Camera cars. You could film your trains with these. Lionel tried the same thing with Rheoscope. Sadly, this kind of stuff did not catch on. Why wouldn't you want to film your trains? I think it'd be pretty cool. Remote control dump cars. Like Lionel with TMCC at the time and MTH's DCS, K-Line would come up with their own system called KMCC. Operating voltmeter car to measure your track amperage. An operating car and rotor car. Cool. Oh, cop and robber car. Like Lionel. All aboard for fun and refreshment. Oh, the Coca-Cola train stuff they made. Pretty good, pretty popular drink. Ah, the FDNY. God bless the firefighters of the world. This is pretty cool. I've always thought the firefighting stuff was pretty neat from MTH. I mean, from K-Line. Ah, the NYPD. New York Police Department. The boys in blue. Heinz. The ketchup company, as I call them. They've been around for a while. Low-gauge engines and rolling stock. Alright, so here we have the more affordable trains. It looks like this is part of Train 19. Oh, this is Train 19. I take that back. Again, nobody does this kind of stuff anymore. It's a shame. Oh, sorry about the glare, guys. I just now noticed that. I don't know how much of this you saw, but I'm sorry, guys. Boxcars. Not much for Train 19, oh well. So here's some action accessories you could have chosen from back then. Pretty cool stuff, actually, altogether. Action accessories. There you go. The difference is in the details. I'll say it is. Here's some more action accessories. Look at all this stuff, guys. They really had something, didn't they? Trackside collection. Well, you gotta make it look nice for a downtown area. Why not? Welcome to Mainland. Enjoy your stay. Cool. Super Snap Track. Be all you can be in G-Scale. God bless the troops fighting. Give S a try. Well, a lot of people did. K-Line was only one of a few companies to make S-gauge trains. Of course, we all know American Flyer was the best maker back then. Here we have vehicles for the road, including some buses. Cool. Aviation. Transformers and tracks. Or trucks, I should say. And various other items you could have gotten, including a Trainmaster for $100. Not bad. There's the back of the catalog, and there you have it. Alright, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, please be safe around trains. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And remember, Jesus loves you. Happy rails, guys. I'll see y'all next time.